Welcome to this video where we are going to speak about font formatting, basically what you can do with your font. And in Excel, for you to change the font, you have to use the home ribbon tab. Remember, if you click once it hides, twice it opens, depending on how you want it. I like it open, so I'm not going to play around with that. So I want to make my total to be bold. So the way to do it is go to the home ribbon tab and click on B. I want this data here to be indented or italic, so I just click on I. Okay, so that's how it looks better. Okay, so this is font formatting, and if I click here again bold, this here as well, I want it bold, so it's starting to take shape. If I click here as well, bold. Okay, so it's starting to take shape. If I want to change the font type, because I want this to be Calibri but this one to be font to be Times New Roman, then I'll just select the cell, or if it's a range of cells that I want to be a certain font type, just select all of them. As you can see, come here and change. So, and then I want Times New Roman, I can just start typing TIME and it gives me, and that's it. I want a regular type, boom, can see. So this is saying Calibri here because it's the font type. If I click on this, it changes to Times New Roman. If I want to increase the font size of all these things, I just click on it, go to home tab, then go to here next to the font type, just click on here and increase, and to take it to, let's say, 16. Oh, that's too big. Let's go to 14. Okay, that's it. This one I'm going to let it remain there. Okay, so that's how you're able to joke around with the font formatting on font type, font size, bold, italics, and underline. I've not found a use for underline, but let me see. I don't really see the need for underline, but yeah, that's how you underline. I'm going to remove it. And yes, our data is starting to take shape, and in lengthy tutorials, in lengthy let's say worksheets, you're going to play around or to use all these types of font formatting. In this series we are going to explore a couple of them, and stay tuned. I'm going to change this as well to Times New Roman, bold. You can see the personal budget. Double click because I want to accommodate this because it's the longest, and that's it. That's how font formatting is done. See you in the next tutorial where we are going to change the cell background for these items and this as well. See you then. Bye.